Alright, now in this video we are going to compare the face unlock feature on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. We are not going to debate about which one is more secure. We are only going to see which one is more reliable and which one is faster and which one works better under dark lighting conditions. So let's dive right into this video. Now here I have set the face unlock on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and I have set it to open directly onto the home screen as and when it recognizes the face. That option is not there on the iPhone. Every time we unlock the phone, we will have to swipe up to go to the home screen. Whereas on the Samsung Galaxy phones, if you have the Face ID feature on the phone, you can actually set it up to directly go to the home screen. Like you can see here, when I unlock the phone, it directly takes me to the home screen. Whereas on the iPhone, when it unlocks, I will have to swipe up to go to the home screen. Now what we are going to do is we will simultaneously unlock both the phones and see which one recognizes the face faster and unlocks the phone faster. Now here on the S23 Ultra, it will instantly go to the home screen, so we will know when it unlocks. And here on the iPhone, on the top, you will get a notification which looks like this. As you can see, we have got an animation for the face unlock. The moment it unlocks, we will be able to see that unlock animation on the top. Now to the naked eyes, it might be a little difficult to figure out which one unlocks faster, so I will show these clips in slow motion as well. Now let's go ahead. I will unlock the phone. The moment I unlock it, you can observe here on the top for the iPhone, and this phone gets unlocked instantly. Let's do this. As you can see, both unlocks the phone very quickly, and Samsung Galaxy phones face recognition is at par with the iPhones. Or I would say the iPhone's Face ID is as quick as the Samsung's Face ID. Let me just bring this closer and give you a closer look. As you can see, both phones unlocks instantly the moment we press the side key. Now this was under the normal lighting condition. Now what I'm going to do is I will turn off one of the lights here and make it a little dark and see how does this work. Let me go ahead and turn off one of the lights here. As you can see, now it is dark. Let me lock the phone. Now let me unlock simultaneously. As you can see, even in this lighting condition, both are working pretty well. Now what I'm going to do is I will turn off this light as well, and I will keep these monitored or these displays on, and let's see how this works. Now the lights are off and the monitor is on. Now let me lock the phone and unlock it. Let's quickly see whether these phones recognize the face or not. As you can see, both are still recognizing the face in this dark condition as well. Both are able to unlock the device. As you can see, both are simultaneously unlocking the phone, and there is no issue on Samsung Galaxy phone as well as the iPhone. Face recognition is working perfectly fine on both these devices. Now let's turn off these monitors as well. We will be in completely dark condition, and let's see how this works now. This will be interesting. Here we go. The lights are completely off. Now I'll lock and unlock the phone. Let's see whether Samsung is going to recognize the face or not. Now here, what Samsung is doing is it is brightening up the screen to the fullest when I tap on this side key, whereas on the iPhone, the brightness level is not to the peak levels, and still it is able to recognize the face. But I would say both phones are doing equally good, and they are instantly recognizing the face and unlocking the phone in a jiffy. So there is no issue with the Galaxy S23 Ultra's face recognition. Even in the completely dark room, it works perfectly fine. This was a quick demonstration comparing the face recognition or the face unlock feature on the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let me know how many of you guys are using the face unlock on the Samsung Galaxy phones. If you have the feature and if you're not using it, I would suggest you can start using the feature. It works like a charm. You guys should set it up and start using it. And if you want to know how to directly go to the home screen when your face is recognized on the phone, I have posted a video about it just a few days ago. I will leave a link in the description. You can just make some changes in the settings and directly go to the home screen whenever your phone is unlocked using the Face ID. That's all I want to share with you guys. If you find this video interesting, do hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you want to know your phone better. That's all I want to share with you guys. Thanks for watching. My name is Salian signing off. You guys take care and stay safe. Cheers. Bye-bye.